Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Wednesday, October the 1st. I'm starting off with Premier African Minerals, where we have a rising trend channel which has been in place on the daily chart since the beginning of last year. The floor of the channel looks like it's running through 1.2 pence, just above the 200-day moving average at 1.05 pence, and the overall configuration here at the moment is of an extended bull flag above or just around the floor of this channel from last year. Ideally now there's no weekly close back below 1.2 pence or this 2013 support line ahead of a retest of the top of the channel and the top of the range at 2.5 pence. Plus, if you're cautious on the shares, maybe you wait for a weekly close back above the 1.5 or 1.6 pence level. Next up is one of the favourites of mine from earlier in the year. The favourites, this is set on the basis really that the shares firstly hit a target at 20 pence in August, and then they hit a target of 25 pence to start this month before coming back quite sharply. Situation now, it looks like we've bounced off the floor of a rising July trend channel at 16 pence, which is also the 50-day moving average level. And while we stay above that, one will be looking for 26, 27 pence at the top of this channel. In fact, we could actually stretch higher than that, depending on exactly where the trajectory is in terms of that September peak. So in fact, even 30 pence is not out of the realms of possibility over the next 4 to 6 weeks while the 50-day line holds. Finally, we've got a stock which was interviewed by myself a few weeks or a couple of months ago, I think it is now. It's Sula Iron and Gold. Shares finally broke out of that sort of slow grinding price action that we had towards the 2 pence, sub 2 pence level seen in September. Now it looks like we've actually bounced off the floor of a rising trend channel from December. Yesterday's low, 2.65 pence, looks like the floor of that channel. And while there's no end-of-day close back below that, there's a possibility of a 4.75 pence target over the next 1 to 2 months. It helps that we've got most of yesterday's price action also above the 200-day moving average, which is starting to rise just around the 2.7 pence level. There's also bullish divergence there, which in the RSI window, which is a positive for the stock in the near term. So any weakness towards the price channel floor currently regarded as a buying opportunity, and only really back below the 50-day moving average at 2.22 pence would be regarded as outright negative at Sula. That's it for me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.